Hi there, welcome to this video on quadratic simultaneous equations. So I'm just going to go through an exam question to try and help you solve these type of questions. So I'm not going to go into detail about what simultaneous equations are. I think you need to go back and look at linear simultaneous equations to do that. So we're just going to work through the problem. Now, I've got this equation here. I'm going to rearrange it to get y equals x plus 3. So I've added x to both sides so I can get it into that form. The reason I want it like that is I can now substitute this expression for y into this equation. So let's write that again. X plus, so instead of y I'm going to write x plus 3, and we're squaring y here, so I've got to square this expression. So now all we do is we expand the bracket and collect like terms, and eventually I'm going to try and get this side equal to 0. So I've got x squared plus x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 29. So collect like terms, and I'm also going to subtract 29 from both sides. So I've got 2x squared plus 6x. So I've got plus 9, I'm going to take away 29 from both sides. So that leaves me minus 20 there and 0 there. So I've now just got a quadratic to solve. Notice that 2 goes into all of those terms there. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2, which means that all of these terms are divided by 2. X squared plus 3x minus 10 equals 0. So I divided everything by 2 there, and this is just a slightly easier expression to factorise. So let's see if it does factorise. Sometimes you might have to use the quadratic formula to proceed with these questions, but in this one I think it's going to factorise quite simply. So x plus 5, x minus 2 equals 0. So we've now got two solutions for x, and which is minus 5, or so negative 5 and 2. So x could be negative 5 or x could be 2. So I've now got two values of x, but for each value of x there's a value of y that goes with it. So we need to go back to this and substitute in these values to find out what value of y goes with these values of x. So y subtract negative 5 equals 3. So I've substituted in that value of x into this expression here, or the equation, sorry. So y plus 5 is equal to 3, so y equals negative 2. And next one, but substitute x equals 2 into here, so y subtract 2 is equal to 3, so y is equal to. So there's our solutions to this simultaneous equation. Okay, hope that's helped.